Okay, so we got an HP computer. Okay, so we'll open it up here. And then we'll turn it on. There's the button. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. So here's a little wireless mouse. These are Microsoft mouse. I think it's like 2300 or 2500 is the number. Microsoft 3500. Okay, they're real small. You think it would be too small for my hand, but they work great. It's just a little USB thing that plugs in the side. And there's no setup at all. You don't have to do anything to it. There's one AA battery. And to turn it off and on, it's just this little button here. It's blue technology, so you don't have to worry about blinding people. The one with the red laser, that can damage your eyes. Okay, and it's good. The blue technology is good because it works on just about any surface, but glass, clear glass, it won't work on because it can't get a reflection from it. Okay, so these pads are tough to get used to. I wouldn't even bother with those. These pads here are just for like travel. You have to use it in the car, you know. Always use a wireless mouse, you know. Okay. Here, let's start here. I'll sign out. On this computer, I created some other accounts here. These are all administrator accounts. In case one goes bad, in case one administrator account goes bad, you can still get into the other one. For some reason, an account can go corrupt, so it's nice to have at least two administrator accounts. Here we have three. She was using this account here. That was the administrator account. That was the only account on the machine. So I created one here, and then we'll sign in with this one. And there's no password on there, so she doesn't have to. So she doesn't have the hassle. Okay. And then there's all this stuff here. That's your menu. You can scroll down using the mouse wheel. It goes up and down. These things are built in from Microsoft. You could always change these, drag them around. See these. See, you can drag these and mix and match as much as you want. You can take them off too. If you right click on the Windows icon, you get the administrative stuff. Okay, usually you don't have to worry about this stuff, but it's nice to know it's there. Okay. So main thing is I installed Firefox on the computer. It has the Microsoft browser Edge, but I just know how to use Firefox, so I stick with it. So I added these links to the home page. Okay, and what you do there is you click on these dots here, and it says add top site. Each one of these is a top site, and if you scroll down to manage section, here it says 4 rows. Okay, you can change that to 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. Okay, so then we have 4 rows here. Only 3 is showing up if you scroll down some. So as you browse the internet, if you go to other sites, they'll fill in these blank spots. Okay, so this makes it real easy. Like if you wanted to go to Star Beacon, just click on there. So there's the Star Beacon website. You can use the back arrow here, or if you click the little plus sign here up there, it opens up another page. So now we have 2 pages. And like we can go, like on the first page we can go to Star Beacon. On the second page we can go to Classmates. Classmates is like where you went to grade school and high school. We can open up another page, go to YouTube on this one. Open up another page, go to Amazon on this one. Sometimes I'll have 20 of these things open. You know, it just depends on how fast your computer is. So these are some common tabs that I think would be useful for most people. You know, Google.com. This is Ohio.gov. Star Beacon is our local newspaper. YouTube, Classmates.com, Amazon, BET Weather Channel, Facebook, Twitter, eBay, Match.com, Lowe's, Home Depot, Udemy for training, for courses, CNN, Fox News, Walmart grocery app. You can order groceries there. Aldi's, you can order groceries. Indeed.com for jobs, Ohio Means Jobs, and Monster. So what I just thought of that's common, let's add Instagram. That's real popular. We can add it here, go add top site, or if we come down to a blank one here, when we hover, we get that little pencil. If we click on that, we get this thing here, and we can go Instagram, and that's basically, it shows pictures. Then we can type in the URL, HTTP. You can cut and paste here too, you know, if you're Instagram.com and click add. So now if we click on that, it goes right to Instagram. Well, if I'd spell it right, see, now I didn't spell that right, so we can go back and click on that and go edit and change this Instagram. So that's actually good that happened. Insta. I don't really use that much, so Insta. I have to figure out how to spell it. Instagram. Okay. 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 So that's how you would do that. Now you can see here we went to that one weird website that I typed in the wrong address, and it filled in a blank spot. So if we wanted to get rid of that, just click these little dots here and go dismiss, and there's also a delete from history here. I usually just go dismiss. Okay, so most of these sites you'll have to have a username and password, and that'll have to do with your email account. Usually you have to enter in an email account. Not always, but usually. So I haven't set her email account up on this. I don't know which one she's using these days. So hopefully you'll know what your email account is. But a popular one these days is live.com, L-I-V-E, and just type in live here, hold Control, hit enter, and then you can see here it says Outlook, and here it says live.com. Live is just Microsoft. That's what Microsoft named their email thing. So here it says create a free email account. So that would be the most popular one. Of course, there's Gmail. You see, if you click on Google, that brings you to the Google website. Then you'd have to sign in. You have to create a Google account. Create a Google account here, and then once you do that, if you go back here, you get these 9 dots here. You got all these other apps that you can use through Google. You know, Maps, Google, or YouTube, News. Here's their email, Gmail. So that would be the other popular one. So live.com and Gmail. Okay, I think Facebook has an email now too, but I'm not really sure. Okay, so that's a good start on using the laptop. Maybe we'll do more later. Okay, see ya.